Hi, I'm Mike. Well, let's wait for the truck to go by. Hi, I'm Mike. Spring may have sprung here on the ranch. It's a little too early to... Hi, how are you? I don't have anything. Hey, no. Get away from the camera. Come on. Hi, I'm Mike. Spring may have sprung here on the ranch. It's a little too early to tell. We've had snow all the way up until June before, but we're going to take advantage of some nice weather today and go out and see what needs done. We're going to get it added to the project list, and also a little bit later we have a very special guest coming to give us a hand right after school, and her and I are going to take you along with us as we head out and check cows. It's all coming up today on the project list on our Wyoming Life. It's been 157 days since we've had a temperature over 60 degrees on the ranch. Temps today are not supposed to get that high, but later on in the week, we might be looking at temperatures right up in there. So we have to get ready for a few days where we can get ahead. And almost everywhere I look, there's something that needs done. The project list, this thing right here behind me, is a list in the shop that's ever growing and shrinking, I guess. The list helps us keep on task, but not only that, it helps motivate me because I don't actually erase things from the list. I just cross them off. I think that's important because I like to look back and see what I've accomplished, especially when there's always more to do. The list has become an icon on the ranch and almost more of a monument to accomplishment, but you still have to get it done. It may seem counterproductive, but occasionally we do have to go out and just look around. We walk around the ranch, we find what needs done, and we don't do it. We come back, we add it to the board, and then we come up with a plan. I figure if we spend a few minutes each week, or sometimes even a month, we can get a general idea of the issues that we're gonna have to deal with. Look at it as an inventory of the ranch, but we're not going out and counting any product, but we are going out, we're counting and logging problems that we know we're going to have to deal with sooner or later. I always call this job security because without knowing what needs done, you have no reason to go fix it. So let's get started. Just between the barn and the shop is what we call the sales barn. Now this used to be an area where cattle were auctioned off every week. Eventually, small auctions were swallowed up by larger ones, but we still have this area to remind us of those days. Nowadays, it's pretty much used for storage, and once we get in here, we can start seeing work that lies ahead of us. Aside from cleaning, which is a constant chore, we can see that the baler, which was parked in here for the winter, apparently had a slow leak in the tire. This is going to have to be fixed before haying, obviously, so it goes on the list. Also, in the sales barn are the tractors. We have the International along with a couple John Deere tractors in here, a 6410 and a 4055. These were parked here in the fall and will need oil changes and filter maintenance before haying. Also, the 4055, I remember it was heating up a little bit more than usual during haying last year, so we're going to pull the radiator off of it and get that cleaned up before we get it back in the field. Headed outside, we can take a look at the corrals that are definitely going to need some work before branding this year. We had cows that decided to jump over some gates last year, and they bent them up pretty good. We also have some boards break, and we should be looking at getting some paint on all the wood out here. Manure is always an issue in the spring, and that's going to be moved out of the high traffic areas and spread out over pastures and hay fields that need it. Then we're going to be heading out with the harrow to start breaking it up, spreading it, and of course, opening up the top layer of crusted, dry ground to accept new rainfall. That'll hopefully be coming soon. The chicken house project is still coming up, and now that the ground is thawing out enough, we can start trenching around and laying in some wire and some new fence. And at the high tunnels, Erin has her own list going on at the gardens. I'm sure some of it we'll start hearing about soon. That takes us around the loop and adds quite a bit to the list and gives us a little bit more to do. This time of year though, it's a good thing. During calving, I check cows often, and I find myself looking for something to do. And now all I have to do is look back there, and there it is, my next project. Our next project, though, is coming in through the door right now. This is Grace. She's 5 years old and our middle child. Truth be told, if you asked me who I would bank on to stay on the ranch and continue ranching, it would be Grace. She's extremely quiet, she's shy, but she loves all the animals and being outside. Today, her and I are gonna go check the cows together, and we'd love it if you could come along.
Dad, let's go.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. Over here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna back up, out of here. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you close the garage door? You can reach it? Nope, try the other one. This one. Did it? There we go.
Can I maybe drive by myself a little bit?
You want to drive just a little bit? Okay, let's get over the ramp, and then I'll let you drive, okay? Because the ramp is a little tricky, right?
Yeah.
It's bumpy. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, we did it. All right, so now you're driving. It's totally up to you. Where are we gonna go? What are we doing out here? Do you remember? What are we gonna do? We're gonna check cows, right?
Find the baby cow.
We're gonna find the baby cows. That's right.
Daddy, where do you think the baby cow is gonna be this time? Because it was out that way this
Okay.
last
Might be down
time.
that way. I don't know where it is.
Yeah, can we maybe feed the baby's mama cow some food if she wants any or something?
Yeah. Okay.
How am I gonna get through the gate when the cow is?
Are you gonna get through the gate when the cow is there?
Yeah.
It's a little tricky.
He moved.
You can figure it out. Oh, she moved? Good job. Okay. Good job. You made it through the gate. Good job. This makes my life so much easier when you get to drive. Okay, so there's a bunch of cows over this way.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go look over there.
That cow is peeing.
That one is peeing. Good job, Grace. That one's peeing. Oh, big hole! Oh,
Mom.
whoa, that was a big hole.
I didn't see that there.
You did great.
I think I see
the
it.
baby.
Where?
You see it? It's hiding. See this one right there? That's her mommy.
Do we maybe want to go
That's
over?
his mommy. That's the baby's mommy. So
Can we go and see him?
Keep going. Let's go see if we can find the baby. Where do you think the baby is?
I don't know.
Where's the baby? They're really good at hiding. Where's the baby?
Is it somewhere far away from his mother?
No. Where's it hiding? Let's turn this way.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. There's the baby.
And there's her mama.
There's her mommy watching us. Yeah, her mommy's really keeping an eye on what we're doing.
Can we give her some food?
There's the baby. Should we give the mommy some food?
Yeah.
Okay. But she's going to eat a lot more than that. Good job. You want to give her some more? I don't think she wants it.
Okay.
Maybe a little more. Maybe that's enough for now. Okay. All right, so we found that baby, but maybe we should go look for new babies, don't you think? Okay.
Can we go up that hill?
You want to go up that hill? Okay, let's go up to that hill. And what do we do up there?
Look for new baby cows.
We get a good look around, right?
Where's the binoculars?
What are you looking for?
The binoculars we can use.
Oh, they're over here.
I don't see any.
You don't see any babies yet?
No.
Okay, should we keep driving?
Yeah.
We're going to check all the places where the cows like to hide.
Daddy, what are those things?
Those things hold the oil. And see this big black thing that's going up and down?
Yeah.
That's what pumps the oil out of the ground. Okay. You see any more cows out here? Sometimes they like to come out here, but I don't see any out here.
No.
The nice thing about all this place out here is a lot of it's flat, so you can see a long ways. So you know, if you can see a cow that's way out here, what would she probably be doing if she was out here all by herself? What do you think a cow would be doing right now?
Having a baby.
Having a baby, that's right. Almost get stuck in the water, so be careful.
I remember the time Mommy and me were driving the gator and we got stuck in a lot of mud. We were driving the little gator,
You were driving the little gator?
and we got stuck in the mud.
Oh, wow. How did you get out of the mud?
Mommy pushed it, I think.
Mommy pushed you?
No, I wasn't in it. She was pushing it. I wasn't driving.
That sounds like fun.
I think we were in the garden.
Where are we going?
This way.
We're going to go back towards home?
Yeah.
Are we all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to go on that hill.
You want to go on that road?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the mega mop. Watch out, you're going off the road. Okay, now don't go off the other side. Oh my gosh! Oh my golly! We're going to have to take us back to the ramp. We have to go back over the ramp. Oh my gosh. Are you going to be able to drive over the ramp all by
I
yourself this time?
think I am.
I think you are. I hope you are.
Let's go guns, another one.
Aim for the ramp, sweetie.
I'm trying.
You can do it. Aim for the ramp. I'm not even going to help you. Not even going to help you. Up and over. Good job. All right, we're going to go home now?
Yeah.
All right, let's park.
Over here?
Wherever you want. Where do you want to park?
Over here.
You going to park over there? Okay. Okay, turn. Oh, yeah, this is a tight turn. And
Done.
woof, that was hard, huh? Anything you want to say to the camera?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming with us. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you next time. Grace, along with Mackenzie and Lincoln, are the future of the ranch, in one aspect or another, good or bad. And all we can do is try to lead them down the right path and hope that they make the best decisions for themselves and for the ranch. In the meantime, I'll keep filling up the project list so that even they never run out of things to do. That list may not just be my job security, but it may be what keeps the ranch going for generations to come. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe and join us as we continue to explore the ranch life and escape the ordinary. Find us on Facebook and Instagram for the good stuff, and be sure to go explore our website, ourwylife.com. Erin will be back this week with a brand new video about what she has going on this time of year. And now that we're in the middle of calving, so that when you do subscribe, make sure that you hit that bell notification so that when new calves are born, you'll be the first to know. Until next time, have a great week, and thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.